everyone, welcome back to the class. This is me Deepa, your computer teacher. I hope you all are fine at your home. Let's start today's class. Before starting today's class, let's take a quick recap of the previous class.
Good morning everyone. As you know that our chapter number 6 MS Paint is going on. So with the revision we will wind up the chapter. So we can say that today we will wind up our chapter with the whole revision which we have done in our previous classes. So first let's revise how you will open MS Paint. On desktop, at the left hand side, start button is located. You have to click on start button and then click on all programs and then click on accessories and then paint. This is our paint window, as you know very well. On the top, title bar, left hand side quick access toolbar, right hand side control buttons. These are the tabs. This rectangular bar is known as ribbon. These are the groups, clipboard, image, tools, shapes and colors. This is the text tool and it is used to write in paint program. Color picker, it is used to pick color from any object. These are the shapes and this is curve shape. It is used to draw curve lines and with the help of these shapes you can draw the images or the shapes in your drawing. This is the select tool. It is used to select a part of the image. Here cut and copy option is there. On clipboard tab, from the clipboard group you can use cut and copy option. Copy is used to copy the selected part of an image to another location and cut is used to remove the selected part of an image from its original position. All these things we have done in our previous classes and you know very well these are the colors. You can use these colors to fill your object or your paint image. Children, for you I have drawn this drawing for you and now we will revise all the things which we have done in our previous classes. First, I told you how you can set this picture as your background. Click on paint tool and then set as background and then we have to save the picture. As you click on set as background, my picture is already saved. You can see that with A1 name. If the picture is unsaved, so first you have to save the picture and then set as desktop background and then minimize the picture. You will find your picture on the desktop. This thing we already have done. Then how to cut and copy the selected object. First, as you know that this is your selection tool. Click on it and then select any image like this and use cut option. Now you can see that the selected object is cut and then choose paste option. It is the cut object is on new location. Now you can use this cut object at any another place. Now let's revise the copy option. Select the object, any object you can select and then choose copy and then choose paste. Now you can see that we have two moves at the original place along with its new place. You can use anywhere. This copied object you can use anywhere. Then we learn how to rotate our selected image. First, we have to select the image or object like this and then choose rotate option 90 degree. Flip vertical, flip horizontal. Okay, again rotate right 90 degree. It will rotate your picture at your right hand side like this. Rotate left 90 degree. This option will rotate your picture at your left hand side like this, and rotate 180 degree. Flip vertical and then flip horizontal. All these things we have done in our previous classes. This is eraser tool. If I want to erase anything, I have to use eraser like this. This is our eraser tool. As you know that with the help of control and plus key from keyboard, we can increase the size of eraser. With the help of control minus key, we can decrease the size of eraser like this. This is our text tool. With the help of text tool, we can write anything. Like this. These are the shapes, as you know very well. Take the shape and draw it. You can choose the color of your shape from here only. Okay. Children, all these things we already have done in our previous classes. This is only for the revision. You can use any image and you can fill the color with the tool fill with color. This tool is known as fill with color. To fill any color in the image, first we have to select it and then select any color from here and use it. Okay. Then we learn about view tab. In view tab we have zoom in, zoom out and full screen. Zoom in just like your magnifier. As you click on zoom in, you will find your picture or your drawing in large size like this. Zoom out, again the picture will show in original size. This slider is also known for zoom in and zoom out. With the help of this zoom slider, you can use zoom in and zoom out option like this. As you click on minus option, this will provide us the facility to zoom out like this, and plus option will provide us the facility to zoom in like this. And this is full screen. As you use full screen option, all the bars, it means title bar, tabs, ribbon, all are removed from your screen like this. Now you can see that only your paint drawing is there on the screen. Each and every bar is removed from the screen. Okay, all these things we have done in our previous classes. Now let's move towards our today's classwork. Chapter number 6, MS Paint, True and False. Our first question is, paint is one of the accessories of MS Paint. Answer is true. Second is, MS Paint does not allow you to make drawing with your imagination. Answer is false. because you can draw your drawing according to your own imagination. Third is paint window generally consists of toolbox, color box and drawing area. Answer is true. Fourth is you can copy your drawing from one file to another. Answer is true. Fifth is you cannot enlarge your drawing to on paint window. Answer is false. Next is answer the following. Your question is what do you mean by cut, copy and paste command? Answer is cut command. Cut command is used to move any selected text, picture or object. Copy command. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of any selected text, picture or object. To use cut and copy option, we have to select the text or object. Okay, and then paste command. Paste command is used to paste any cut and copied object. Now let's discuss about our computer science project. This is your computer science project which I have drawn for you in MS Paint. You have to take a printout of this paint picture and stick it in your computer science notebook. Children, just remember that this computer project is compulsory because it is your subject enrichment which carries 5 marks. So please do it in your computer science notebook and send it to me as soon as possible. So you have to send me this computer project note work along with your today's class work. I hope you all enjoyed the class. If you have any problem, you can call me. Thank you.